Hi again, everyone. I'm sorry about that confusion. Watson Analytics was having a little bit of an issue, so I had to call their customer service line, which if you ever need their customer service number, you can always call them. And I can even provide you the number. It is 1-877-426-3774, and they're usually open and you can speak to a customer service representative. So what is happening here is now I've created the prediction view. So this is the prediction view, and this data right here, as you can see, it says you've chosen 3 targets, which you have, and that is code 2 and the February one and then the text. And then here, right here, it's showing you that you have excellent quality data. If you click view, you will be able to see how much data that you actually how this analyzes it step by step and things like that. And so I'm just going to click on here real quick just to show you a quick guide on how they show you the 78 is really good. So right here, the data quality report is right here, and it shows that the data quality score measures the degree to which the data is suitable for predictive analysis. And it gives you the data quality by field right here, and it just gives you your score, which you are in this bracket 70 to 80%. And then you can go back and click on close. And it usually should take you back to the predictive view. Sometimes it doesn't, so right here I'm going to put it back in again. And then just choose code and February, and sorry about that. We can go back into welcome and then click on this prediction, which it will bring it up to that. And then for some reason Watson Analytics is having a big issue today, and I'm just going to delete this data so it doesn't record it again. If you have issues, that's the best way to do it. And create a prediction, go back in here, and then just do the same thing that we did before. I'm sorry, this is a little repetitive, but this is the best way to learn with all these mistakes. And so go back in here, fill that in, create a prediction. Sometimes it's going to take some time because of internet connections and certain things like that. Like I said before, just have patience, because I mean, it's free for us to use, so it's just a tool that should work, but sometimes it has its ups and downs. So I'm just going to wait for it to load again, and then you'll see the same predictive screen that we were looking at before. Okay, and now it will load in a couple seconds, and so we are back on the predictive page. If you click on this, for an example, it'll bring you up into the different, so like text 1 drives code 2. This will make more sense to someone who's again working with the data. Right now, since we're just analyzing it, it's just showing you the levels with high or low code 2 averages and have more influence. And you can even actually look at that and then grouping, see how it shows up right here, the different amounts, and then grouping the levels of high, medium, and low averages. And then that gives you the information again. The mean or arithmetic average is a measure of central tendency, which helps you a lot in case you didn't know a meaning of something. And so then if you go click on details, it'll bring more statistical details down here, and you can click on that and you see the sum of squares, mean, and things like that, which will help a lot with decision making. So I'm going to click out of this real quick, and so that's creating a prediction. It gives you just a lot more data than you had ever expected. And so this is another thing just down there with the predictive strength of 92%. And it just helps the decision maker look at all aspects of everything that they are looking at. And so again, if you click on this levels with high or low as far as code 2 averages, you also get the amounts right here. And I'm going to click out of this, and then I am going to go back into welcome. And now we're going to create an assembled view. And the assembled view, we're going to click on that information. And here we're just going to put in 654321 just as the name, and click on this and click create. And now it's going to bring you your assembled view. Below here, right underneath, it gives you all the text and codes and everything that you had in your data code. And so right now, this is the assemble view. I just did one view since we're just learning how to do this. So I'm just going to click in and bring text code up here. And then we're going to bring the code, and then code 2, since we've been working with that a lot. And then we're going to bring in, let's say, code 5. Actually, no, we're going to bring in February 5th, since we've been working with that as well. This is going to bring up a huge table with a better view of data and a better view of analyzing your data. And right here, yep, it's going to bring this. And I am someone who likes visuals. And so this would help me as a decision maker with the different amounts of, so you can change where exactly you want it to be, where you want it to present, and then it can help it right here to fit the page of assembled view. As you click on the different views, it'll bring up different information for you. And let me see real quick. So yeah, when you click on different views, it'll show you right here. So February 5th, 2015, count distinct, and things like that. And so this is very interesting, because you could exclude this data or you could keep it. So if I click on keep, it'll keep it and then show you a little more about it. And then if you want, you can just look at this and you can play with the data and show different fields. And then that helps you just bring everything back to where you need it. So with creating an assemble view, you can also add media and web pages and images and different shapes and things like that, because it'll show you right here. And then you can do like different visuals, which this is really nice, because you don't always want to see a bar chart, or you don't always want to see a pie chart. So different information that you want, you can click on, and then you can add by different columns and things like that. So this assembled view just helps with presentation, helps you get your data out there, helps you get your data. So if I say exclude on that, see, it'll bring me back to where we were. And so just this view is very interesting, because it'll help you put up presentations, it'll help you show professionalism, and it can help you in any company that you work with. So going back into the welcome page right here, there's a little more tools that could help you even better, because right here, as you can see, it has load your data, create a prediction, create exploration, create an assemble view. All these, I learned how to do this through these different tools, and then through our teacher explaining all this information. And so yeah, so the short-term supply demand matching and different things like that, it gives you a better view of how to handle this data. Overall, Watson Analytics is just a great program. In my tutorial, I have included all these application summaries and scenario objectives of the data, and also it gives you the step-by-step of everything that we went through, and it gives you even actually more data than what I went through. So this this tool will actually help you better, and even this file will help you. So overall, I've also put the insights and conclusions, because the purpose of this data is to access high-value, machine-readable data generated by Watson Analytics, and the data helped us to calculate the amount of trade in the United States. Again, this information will be much clearer to someone working with this data. So overall, Watson Analytics is a wonderful tool. to help with company decision based on past data. And Watson Analytics can help you create predictions and explorations and assemble views and different things like that. And it will help you help your company make better decisions. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed my videos, and if you have any questions, you can always email me at hannahseegerts at gmail.com, and I will be willing to help you with any questions that you have. So have a great day. Thank you.